Hundreds of people gathered for a candlelight vigil in Aizawl on Friday evening to mourn the deaths of 11 members of Mar Mizo community in Manipur's Jiribam district. The demonstrations, which took place in front of Banapa Hall, was organized by the Mizo Defense League to express grief and outrage over the violence that claimed the lives of several individuals. The protesters were particularly vocal about the death of a Mar tribal woman, a mother of three, who was murdered on November 7 in Jiribam village located near Jiribam town. The demonstrators also condemned the deaths of 10 more Mar Mizo community members who were allegedly killed by security forces on November 11 at Jakudhor, also in Jiribam. During the vigil, participants chanted slogans holding both the Manipur state government and the central government responsible for the ongoing ethnic violence between the Meitei and Kuki-Zo communities. The protesters expressed their frustrations with authorities' failure to bring an end to the violence, which was devastated the lives of many innocent people. The demonstrators also demanded that the bodies of the 10 deceased individuals currently being held at the mortuary of Silchar Medical College and Hospital in Assam be returned to their families for proper burial rites.